Hi guys! Good evening! Una sa tanan, I just want to say sorry, Ate Milay. Oy, promise. Ngayon ko lang to talaga nakita. As in, hindi ko kasi na-open to. Ngayon, kung bakit ko nakita to, kasi naglinis ako ng mga gamit ko. Tapos, nakita ko to. Ayan. May sulat ka pala sa akin. Open natin na. Actually, nabasa ko na to kanina. Gusto ko lang magbigay ng reaction sa'yo. I mean, response. Sorry, ngayon lang. Kasi nung birthday ko is November 23, right? And then, nagbigay ka ng maraming gift. And then, hindi ko talaga to nakita, promise. Yung nakita ko kasi yung ampaw. Joke lang. Joke. Okay. Basahin ko My dear little sister, our friendship is like gold. Strong, bright, and exclusive. I hope that it never ends. You are as close to me as any sister could be. Ay, sorry gang ako. Happy birthday, my sister from another mother, as without water, it is impossible to live. Right. Same, it is sister it. Impossible for me to live without you. Chark, sweet. Again, happy birthday, my dear sister from another mother. Love you always, Ate Milay. Sweet. My response is, I just want to say thank you for everything, for loving me, for being true friend of mine. And then, thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat-lahat. Thank you. Alam mo na yon. I really appreciated everything, especially sa mga bagay, sa libre, lahat. I don't have idea how much you mean to me. I'm so thankful that nakilala kita, and I love you very, very much. Actually, before, I just pray to God na, Lord, tagay ko sang ate. Gusto ko may ate ako. And then, you came for how many years? I'm so thankful that I meet you, and I'm for being my ate to me. Thank you very much. I love you. Og always lang ko na adere maminaw sa imong mga drama in life, crying, family problem, love life, lahat. Thank you for being by my side. I'm always by your side, no matter what happened. I love you. Thank you. Mwah.